What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do unboxing of Vivo Y81, and this is first time that I am going to unbox a device from Vivo, and this is the Russia 2018 World Cup edition smartphone, and you can see this has come with a notch in such a low price of just around $200, but in some regions I think it is less than $200, and this is a full screen device. They are saying it's display, you can see it here, I think, yes, 6.22 inches full view display 2.0, and we have some other features written here. You can see it is 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage, 13 megapixels rear camera. The front facing camera is not mentioned, and we have the face access, and this model name is Y81. So this is in matte black color, and you can see there are some markings: Vivo FIFA World Cup Russia 2018 official smartphone. So this is first time that I am going to unbox any Vivo device, so let's just proceed and open this box and see what we have inside this box. So you can see right away the phone is here. So let me just bring it out of this wrapper. So let's have a look how this phone actually looks like. So this is, you can see the Vivo Y81, and the protector is already on the screen, you can see, and we will talk about this phone later on. And let me just start this phone. So let's have a look at other things. You can see this is the paperwork and nothing else. This is just the paperwork, and right away we have this SIM ejector tool. And let's move next and try to open this. Yes, we have this charging cable, and let me see if this is USB type C or micro USB, and you can see clearly this is micro USB, and we have a charger here. So this is a big charger by Vivo, and this is 1 ampere charger. This is not a fast charger, so this is actually a quite big charger, and it's heavy, and we do not have the hand freeze in this box. So this phone is actually not coming with hand freeze. So guys, this is the phone. You can see this is so beautiful, big display in such a low price range with the notch on the upfront. Without any further ado, let's get right away into the phone and start the phone. So let me just select English and let's move next. Let me select my region. Actually it is pre-selected, and I am going to agree. So let's move next. So let's just skip this network connections and agree to the Google services. With every Android smartphones right now we have to do these things. It is having the face unlock, and it is not having the fingerprint scanner. I did not notice it, but this phone is actually not having the fingerprint scanner. And you can see the power buttons are here. And right away we have the volume rockers, and up front there is nothing, and on the back we have these antenna bands, and this is actually plastic on the back, and this is the camera, and it is actually protruding, you can see. And we have a flash here, and on this side we have this SIM tray. This is actually dual SIM model with a separate SD card slot. So we have a single slot here, which is having actually 3 trays. So on the bottom we have this charging slot, the speakers, microphone, and 3.5mm headphone jack is present. So these are all the general features with the camera and the earpiece up front. So let's just move next, and the phone is actually set to use. So guys, this is the phone. You can see how big the display is. It is actually 6.22 inches, and the phone is actually looking beautiful. So let's go into the camera, and let me just check out the camera of this phone. You can see the result is actually looking great, but I will be checking out later on, and I will be posting the videos on the camera, but right now we are not concerned with this. So let's move into the settings, and here we are to check that which software version it is actually running on. And I have never used any Vivo device, so I don't know where they have placed this option. Actually it might be here in the about phone. So right away we have the Fun Touch OS by Vivo, and it is running on Android 8.1.0, which is the latest Android version. That is great to see, and you can see all the details are here. The processor is 2 GHz, and let me tell you, it is running on Helio P22, which is a great processor by MediaTek, and 3 GB of RAM with Fun Touch OS 4.0. so this may be the latest one. So these are a few of the details which are present inside this phone, and overall this phone actually looks good. And these are few of the things. Actually we have this control center which comes from the bottom, and let's just check out this control center, how it works. Actually it is very smooth, it works great. And these are the volume rockers, and we have some very different features here. And this is the control center. It works like an iPhone, you can see. So the display is actually looking beautiful. I will be testing out this device and posting some other videos about this device, and this is all about the unboxing of this device. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And up till next video, bye bye and peace.